Hi, let's check how AI assistant in Cucurella can help you create dialogue in seconds. And it will create dialogue, and as well it will assign voices to your dialogue. If you choose this option, create dialogues with AI assistant, or if you go to Dialogues AI app in Cucurella and open use assistant, you get to this page where you can enter prompt, describe in your own words what this dialogue should be about. You can also attach a file. It could be text file or image with text. Let's say that you want to use a post as a reference for dialogue. Post could be about anything, anyone. This dialogue be around that topic. Just attach the file, say here that you want to create dialogue about that topic, and it will create it for you. You can also say something. You can say by voice, you can enter prompt, or you can choose from popular requests. If you go to popular requests, you can see that they are organized by categories. And generally, it's quite big, and there's a good chance that you'll find something useful for you. If you want to go niche down and create something specific, let's say for education, you want to create a dialogue which can be used during classes or for business purposes, dialogue for business purposes, training materials or demo videos or autoresponders for call centers. That's actually one of their popular topics. About advertisement. You can check these categories and choose one which matches your criteria. Even if it's not exactly what you need, you can choose suggestion from this list and modify it, customize it, so that it better meets your criteria. So let's go with advertisement. Then write a dialogue inviting customers to our upcoming event, create a conversation promoting a grand opening or launch party, building excitement and anticipation. Write a conversation for a video ad that tells a compelling story about how our service can improve daily life. No, actually, I would go with education category. Write a dialogue set in the future where characters discuss the impact of technological advancements on society. Technological advancements in let's say in AI on society. You can specify the language, or you can add any other requirements. For example, write a dialogue between two professors, one from Oxford and another from Cambridge. And let's add and Elon Musk, and let's see what happens. So in a few seconds, maybe in 20 seconds, you'll get a dialogue, and not only dialogue, not only text, but also voices will be assigned to that dialogue. If you decide to change text or voices, that can be done easily and quickly. I'll show you how, but let's wait until dialogue is done. What is good about this AI generator? Because it creates not just generic dialogue, It will be a conversation between three people where they not necessarily agree with each other. There could be a certain modus of conflict, drama in this conversation. Concern, I see merit in both perspectives. So this AI tool allows you to create dialogue, as you see, really quickly. It follows your prompt, even if you decide not to use it as is. This is a good starting point for you. You can read it. If you want to edit it, you can easily do that. If you want to maybe analyze that text or write a summary of this text, or maybe you want to translate it to another language, you can do that using another AI assistant which is built into the project. Yeah, here you see you have a summary of this conversation which can be used in your promo materials or for your records. Right here, add write and add for this dialogue, which I can send in a mail to students before our class. Something like this. Like this. I just want to show you some options which you have. You can do whatever you want when you experiment with these tools. It's like Swiss knife for you. Okay, it's not exactly an ad, but it's a promotional email which could be quite useful if you want to announce your lecture, your class. And now about voices. These voices were assigned to each participant of this dialogue. If you want to change them, you can open this card, click on that card, it's actor's card. And here you can replace this voice by other voices from this list. But probably first you can convert this text to speech and listen how it sounds. Maybe you'll be satisfied with the result. If you decide to change anything, as I showed you, just go to actors card, replace the voice by another voice which better meets your requirements. Choose an accent. Maybe you want this voice to be British. Choose one of British from one voice with British accent. Okay, so we created audio version. Let's play a few lines.
Good evening, gentlemen. As an Oxford professor specializing in the societal implications of artificial intelligence, I'm thrilled to engage in this discussion about the future impact of AI. Elon, your work has been pivotal in shaping this landscape. What's your current perspective on how AI is transforming society?
Well, as someone who's been deeply involved in AI development...
It's not Elon's voice, definitely. That's when you probably need to replace the voice by another one. Just go to this actor trimmer and choose voice which resembles Elon's voice.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
If you like my voice, you can use it to convert your text to voice.
Not exactly, but
There are other options to.
not exactly, but you can use this one, or another option. If you want, you can clone a voice. You can create a voice and use it for this project. So that will probably guarantee better result. Okay, so now you know how to use AI to create a dialogue inside Cucurella. Just a quick reminder, you can do that from homepage on this. When this tab is open, create dialogues, you can click on create dialogue with AI assistant, or if you open Dialogues AI app, you can click on use assistant. It will open up the same page. Hope this helps. Now you know how to create dialogues quickly. If you have any suggestions how we can improve this system, please let us know. Otherwise, enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.